If you like our video, click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses and training materials, visit us at teachucomp.com. A delayed credit is useful for creating customer credits that you can apply as line item credits within future invoices for the customer. Delayed credits are not posted until you manually apply them when creating a future invoice for the customer, regardless of how QuickBooks Online handles applying customer credits. To create a delayed credit in QuickBooks Online, click the plus new button in the navigation bar. Then select the Delayed Credit link under the Customer's heading to open the Delayed Credit window. Select the customer's name from the Customer dropdown. Enter the creation date of the delayed credit into the Delayed Credit Date field. The delayed credit's number appears in the Delayed Credit Number field, and you can change it if you enabled custom transaction numbers in your company file settings. If classes are assigned per transaction or locations are enabled, then you can use the class and location dropdowns that appear at the right side of this form to select your desired choices. To add a tag to this transaction, click into the Tags field and then select a tag from the menu of tag choices. Repeat as needed to apply tags from any relevant tag groups you have created. Alternatively, to add a new tag, type the tag's name, select it from the Add Choice in the drop-down menu, and follow the on-screen prompts to add it to a new tag group for reporting purposes. Next, click into the Product Service column in the Line Items section to select the products or services for which the customer is being credited and enter the associated line items return refund information. Alternatively, to create a new general credit line item, simply select the Add New choice from the Product Service dropdown and then create it in the Product Service Information pane that then appears. Take care of creating a general credit product or service to select the correct income account and set its correct taxable setting. Note that unlike a credit memo, which is applied in the Receive Payment window, a delayed credit's sales tax and subtotal information is only calculated after it is later added to an invoice, so note that information doesn't appear in this form. However, make sure the total amount to credit is accurately entered and that the line item information is correct, so you won't need to change that in the invoice in the future. When finished, save the delayed credit by selecting a choice from the Save in New or Save in Close drop-down button in the toolbar at the bottom of the window. To later apply a delayed credit to a future invoice for this customer, open a New Invoice window and then select the name of the customer from the Customer dropdown. At that point, an Add to Invoice pane will appear at the right side of the invoice window and show any billable items or delayed credits you can add to the selected customer's invoice. To add a delayed credit that appears in this pane, click the Add button below the desired credit in the pane to add the delayed credit as a line item credit within the new invoice. Then complete and save the invoice as you normally would. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. Get ad-free courses at teachucomp.com.